Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of nail art with a product that's been making waves: the Inkbox nail art strips. If you're someone who loves expressing themselves through nail art but dreads the hassle of traditional nail polish or the expense of salon visits, then listen up, because this might just be the solution you've been looking for. What makes these nail art strips stand out from the rest? Well, for starters, they're self-adhesive, which means no messy glue or complicated application process. Plus, they're made with a durable film-forming polymer, ensuring a perfect fit and long-lasting wear. Now, let's talk application. It couldn't be easier. Simply peel, place, and trim. No need for curing time or UV lights. Whether you're a nail art pro or a complete beginner, you'll have no trouble achieving salon-quality results right at home. But what about durability? I'm happy to report that these nail art strips are life-proof. Go ahead, wash the dishes, run your fingers through your hair. These babies can handle it all while still looking fabulous. And let's not forget about variety. With a range of designs to choose from, there's something to suit every mood and style. From bold and edgy to delicate and whimsical, the possibilities are endless. In conclusion, if you're looking for a hassle-free way to elevate your nail game, look no further than Inkbox nail art strips. With easy application, long-lasting wear, and a wide range of designs, they're truly the best nail tattoo available in the market today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy styling!